Hello, folks. I have a treat that came in the mail today, so I kind of wanted to share it with you guys and the tech community in general. As you see, the hashtag Team Pixel is here. Finally, the phone that I ordered almost a month ago is finally here. We're talking about, of course, the Google Pixel 5. This is going to be a very quick unboxing plus the case, and I'm going to give you guys my first and initial opinion on it, and then I'll kind of take the phone for a test drive and see how it handles as a daily driver to see whether or not it's a good enough upgrade to replace my Pixel 4 XL at the moment. All right, so when we take a look at, obviously, let's go with the phone first, because that's the main attraction after all. Comes in this nice little box. I have broken the seals today, but I have not opened it just yet. I was saving it just for this occasion. So I figured let's do it together, right? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and the big reveal is, oh my God, it's exactly the same. So first initial impression is this is a really, really, really nice texture. I know a lot of reviewers have been talking about this, but I don't know, it feels really, really different. It's not your standard aluminum chassis. It's got a nice little chrome button. I know it's kind of hard to see right now, but there we go. A nice chrome button that's very tactile. I like it a lot. Same with the volume up and down buttons. The screen, we'll see in just a second. Again, Google did kind of keep the exact same cameras as before, which is your standard sensor, except instead of a telephoto, this time they give you a wide angle lens. So I'm very excited about that because I was always a bigger fan of the wide angle than I was of the telephoto, just because Google's own software Zoom did a really good job that I kind of felt the replacement or the addition of the telephoto was kind of a waste, in my opinion. But let's see, this is going to be a very, very hot phone, and it's going to be heavily debated going forward, in my opinion, just because some people view this as a step back compared to the Pixel 4 XL. As an owner of one myself, I do want to see how they both compare, and ultimately I'll make my decision in about a week or two of having this one as a daily driver. So let's hear the magic moment here. I know a lot of ASMR fans have been looking forward to this. All right, there it is. The beauty all screen minus the little punch hole. We're definitely a big fan of this move. We'll see how the actual screen compares to the 4. Again, this is more so of a unboxing video rather than an actual review. So once I take the phone as a daily driver for a little bit, I'll make another video detailing my experience with it and how it performs. And then I think I might do another video later down the line of what my decision is, whether or not to keep or to return, and how it compared to the Pixel 4 XL. So please stay tuned, like and subscribe, click that button, and follow me for the future content that's coming. All right, so we have our booklet, Team Pixel, the booklet that everyone pretty much reads. Pretty sure nobody ever reads this ever, but that's there for you. And then we have the standard 18-watt fast charging. I don't know if you can call fast charging or 18-watt fast charging these days, but it is what they're labeling it. Your USB-C to USB-C port, helpful for transferring data from your old phone to your new phone. Not very helpful if you have a bunch of old chargers though, as none of them really have they all have a USB type B rather than a C, but hey, it is what it is at this point. At least you get a charger brick in the box. Thank you, Apple. And by the way, don't worry, I'm pretty sure that the majority of manufacturers will follow suit and we'll start getting rid of these bad boys in the boxes as well. I know they like to give this false narrative that it's all to save or to help with global warming, but ultimately what it comes down to is if you are worried about people using or not using these chargers, then why would you give us a USB-C to lightning connector when none of the retroactive chargers have a lightning connector in the back, unless you have an iPad? It just makes no sense. So anyway, happy to see this bad boy here. And then you always have the OTG adapter. So that's pretty much it. Pretty minimalistic box, minimalistic experience to kind of go along with this pretty minimalistic approach to the new Google flagship. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you updated on how this goes. Oh, and before I forget, obviously, let's unbox the case here that I got for it as well, which, if I'm not mistaken, they make these so easy to open. There we go. And it's a beauty. It's a little bit different, and I don't know if you can kind of see on the camera very well, but there's actually micro dots of the exact same color, teal, that is on the back of the phone itself, which is really cool. You can kind of compare. There's dots here and there of the exact same color, which I find a really nice touch. These cases do get dirty quite a bit, so you do have to wash them. But, ooh, I like this. I always love the inside feel of these. But they do feel a lot more natural in the hand. Honestly, with this new texture on the phone, I don't even think these are needed. But I take pride in my phone, and I always like to keep it looking as good as possible. So you bet your ass I'm going to be putting a case on it as well as a screen protector. All right, so that's it for now. I'll see you guys soon with more info to come. Later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.